In this video, we'll continue with our tutorials, moving on to the Yuku Self-Mint Tools interface. A link to this interface will be in the description of the video. To create a collection, we'll just need to select that tab on the left-hand side, and then we'll need to input the details here of our collection, such as the name, the royalty percentage, and the collection description. Down here toward the bottom, we'll need to upload our logo image and a banner for the collection. We can also select a time for the sale to go live. At the bottom here, we can input all of our relevant project links, including the website, the Discord, Twitter, and our Telegram. Now moving on from here, we're prompted to input the supply and the image type. It's extremely important that the quantity and file type matches the files you've uploaded to your Web3 storage provider. Otherwise, there will be errors with your collection. For this CID link, you'll need to reference the link we generated from the first tutorial when uploading our images to our Web3 storage provider. For the thumbnail images, we will similarly need to upload a folder containing each thumbnail and use the URL provided for that folder's root CID. Once we're satisfied with our input here, we can confirm the submission at the bottom and create our new collection. Now, it's going to take a moment to reflect on the Yuku interface, but once it does, we can view it directly on the marketplace here, and it will be visible to the entire Yuku community.